guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And I'm filming a little differently today. I'm here on the couch. Hopefully I'm not clashing too bad with the plaid and this, but I had a company reach out to me. They asked me if I wanted to review one of their products, and I checked out the product. I really liked it. I have it, and not only do I have it, I have one available for giveaway for you guys, so I'm going to show it to you right now. This is a nail polish organizer by Solid Beauty Concepts. You can buy it on Amazon, and it holds up to 48 bottles of nail polish, and it holds some nail tools as well. So I could just show you the empty inside, but that's going to be boring, so let's just jump forward in time, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's a little more exciting. So being subscribed to beauty and skincare boxes, there are products coming in all the time, and then I'm always shopping on Ulta and Sephora and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and things are just piling up. I feel extremely disorganized. And one of my goals this summer was to sort out all my skincare, my makeup, and also nail polish is part of that. I'm going to show you how awful my nail polish, it's not a collection, it's just kind of sadness. I'm going to show you my nail polish sadness right now. And this is not staged, so if there's dirt, you're going to see dirt. But I won't zoom in on the dirt because that would be disgusting. So let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the before. And after is going to be really cool. Here's the before. I don't have a super lot of nail polishes. I think I have about 18, and some of those are small little guys. Like here you have an OPI, full size, and then you have a Deborah Lippmann mini. And I also have some smaller than that. I have these little OPI minis. And what happens in my collection is that the little minis get lost in the bottom, and like you can't even really see what's going on too well. See, like if you dig under here, there's like a really cute blue OPI mini. But when I'm just picking this up and I need to grab a polish, I'm not finding the ones that I like quickly because it's just one big jumble. So I'm excited about this organizer, and I think I'm going to be able to organize this in about 5 minutes. It's also going to be a lot cleaner because each side of the organizer has a lock, and none of the bottles are going to be exposed to dirt and dust and everything like they were before. Before, that was under my sink, and recently it's been in a closet. So this is the case, and when it opens, these are all your areas for your nail polishes, and then over here you have the areas for your nail tools. And on the other side, it's the same thing. You have all the areas for your nail polishes, and then you have the little areas for your tools, and they have little slide out little divider thingies, so you can make the area small if you just want to put something very small in there, or you can make it long right here in case you want to put in long nail files. And then this product also comes with 2 little toe spacer things. two little toe spacer things. Okay, there's the spacers. So this holds 48 nail polish bottles, and I'm just going to start throwing stuff in here, and I can tell you a little bit about the product as I go. I think I might start putting the light shades on the top and maybe the darker ones on the bottom. So each of the little compartments holds up to a 3.5-inch tall bottle of nail polish. So this is your Essie, which is a shorter one. And then here's a basic OPI, a little bit taller. This is Sally Hansen No Chip. And as you can see, it's really yellow and awful. And I didn't even know that I owned this because my nail polish box was just so gross that this was at the bottom. It's yellow. It needs to be replaced, but just for purposes of demonstration, I'm going to throw it in the box. See? That's 3.5 inches tall. And what I like about this so far is that I'm going to be able to find my mini nail polishes a lot easier than before. These little guys always got lost, and I love these. These were a little 4 set from OPI at the holidays. This was the Nutcracker collection. It was really pretty robin's egg blue, but I could never find it, so I just threw them in. Already it's 1,000 times better than it was before. And you can also use this for other items around the house. You could use it for crafting. You could use it for pigments. A lot of people have those little containers of pigments. But so far so good. And what I'm going to do when I get this all filled up, see, look at this. This is yellow too, because when I can't see the products, they just lie at the bottom and they don't get used. So at least now I'll be able to see what I have and be able to replace the bad stuff, because I have no decent top coat in there, I guess. I was not really aware of that. So I think in the long run this will save me money, because I won't be going out and buying the exact same shade of nail polish. So once I have my nail polish organizer full, I'm going to take a cell phone picture of it and keep it on my cell phone. That way when I'm out shopping at TJ Maxx or Marshall's and I'm looking at nail polishes, I won't be buying the exact same color nail polish. All I have to do is look at the cell phone photo on my camera and see what exactly I have. I'm leaving that in. Take 2. I'll be able to see exactly what I have from the cell phone photo, and then I can look at my cell phone photo and say, don't buy another lavender nail polish. What you really need is something melon or something neon fun for the summer, and then I won't buy another one of these. Vanna White has a hard job. She's underrated. Okay, here they go. They're all going back in. So I think what I'll do, if I'm going to be super organized, is put the glitters at the bottom and maybe the clear ones at the bottom. And this is a gold one I haven't even used yet because it was at the bottom with all the dirt and dust. And this is horrendous. This is Exploded OPI. Okay, here I am. I'm gonna not drop it this time. I have, I guess that's 24 and 1 extra, but this is getting thrown out and that's getting thrown out. These are yellow. So those are getting thrown out. And this, the Exploded OP. But I'm feeling better already because now I have my nail polishes organized, so I can cross that off the list of things I have to organize. And you can carry it like a briefcase in case you want to carry it anywhere. So this is one product I had in my Dusty Dirty Nail box. This is the OPI Rapid Dry Spray. So this I will put over here in the little tools compartment. And then I have a bunch of emery boards. Those fit. I have one side totally full. Oh wait, I'm going to take off the sticker. So I have one side totally full. And I can show you up close. It's really nice and solid, and this is the final product. So I don't have a gigantic collection of nail polishes, but at least I can see where everything is, including these little tiny ones. I really like those little tiny OPI sets, but again, I was always losing them. So now I can always see them. So here are the facts about the nail polish organizer. It holds 48 bottles of nail polish. It is by Solid Beauty Concepts. You can register your purchase for a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens to it, breaking, cracking, I don't know what could really happen to it. If anything happens to it, they will provide you with a replacement. And if you were to buy this, you would buy it on Amazon. I will have a link down below in my description box of where you can buy it on Amazon. It's currently for sale at $21.99, and I have a code for you to use. It is 10% off your order, and that would be 10 champagne. So I'll put that right down here, 10 champagne. It is not an affiliate code. I do not make money if you use it. However, it's just a tracking thing that the company will use to see if by giving me this product, did anyone buy it? So you have the opportunity to get this in a giveaway today. Yay! So all you have to do is, well, you have to be in the United States or Canada, and you just have to like this video, comment down below, comment your favorite place to spend a summer weekend. And also subscribe to my channel. Okay, my channel's growing. I'm going to be hitting 2,000 subscribers soon. And there will be upcoming giveaways as well. But this video will just be for this one giveaway of this one organizer. So now that all your nail polishes are organized in this box, you can store it really anywhere you like. You could hide it under the couch, you could put it under your bed, you could put it in the closet, or even on a shelf in the closet, out of the way, up off the floor. But for me, mine is going to be in my guest bathroom, which is where I keep all my makeup and cosmetics, and it will be in a closet. And it will be stored just upright like this. So I think it's going to be a real space saver because this was under the sink taking up room. This could also fit under the sink. It's only a few inches wide. This is the gross system that I was dealing with. That's a little dip-in nail polish thingy from Ulta. And then I have one remover here. And I have this, and then I have dust and dirt and hair, and it's awful. I'm tired of it, and I'm really glad that my polishes can now be nice and clean inside of an organizer. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you'd like to be entered into the giveaway for your own nail polish organizer box, just like, comment, subscribe, and in the comments say what your favorite weekend summer getaway is, so that way we'll know that you watched the video. Okay guys, so thanks a lot, and I'll see you with the next video. Bye!